another awesome LEGO Technic challenge. Today we have a pretty epic battle here for you, as we're gonna race this 24-hour race car against a real car. This Porsche 911 has a roaring 250 horsepower, which clearly our 24-hour race car can't match. So we decided to even things up a little by staging our race on this ramp. And instead of using the power of engines, we're gonna use the force of gravity. So, we are ready here. Which car do you think is gonna win the race?